Production variance can get expensive fast. In one manufacturing study, real-time production monitoring helped reduce raw material overconsumption by 58%. That starts with better visibility into what's actually happening on the floor. For many manufacturers, the problem is that variance is not always visible when it happens. Labor time and issued quantities may not be reviewed until after the shift ends. Wisys Production Labor Reporting gives teams a better, more connected workflow. Workers can use Agility 360 on a mobile device to select the production order, stage, labor resource, or machine resource. As work happens, they can start, pause, and stop their time directly from the production floor. Supervisors can monitor those status changes in real time from an admin screen. They can see which jobs are running, who's working on what, verify recorded hours, make edits when needed, and intervene while work is still happening. As the job progresses, teams can track production activity against expectations, including planned, issued, and completed quantities. That makes it easier to identify variances earlier and address issues during the run. The result is better control over production variance and labor accuracy, from the production floor to the ERP. Visit wisys.com/labor reporting for more details.